Jasmine
yeah.
and sweet morning.
Everyone.
Emeralds.
You said you'd be in my arms by the next crescent moon.
My immaturity created monsters to any girl that I hurt. Hope you feel the guilt when you hear this verse. Been wearing it on my sleeve, see the hurt through the shirt. Lust got the best of me, couldn't focus on your worth. Didn't sympathize with your cries, you was tired, I was blind. Trying to find peace in the person that I was, instead of trying to grow into the man God designed. Bloomed a little late, but pray for divine timing. But by that time, damage already done. A jailer hurt, wish that I could pay the bond. Resent me now, after you was where I run. Ain't no fun when a rabbit got the gun. Manipulator, misogynistic, narcissistic. I'm putting that statistic, but wasn't my intentions. Life came at a baby boy so fast. I was 16 with the world in my hand.
You said you'd be in my arms by the next crescent moon.
Marissa, I apologize how I handled your heart. Pointing to a boy, I was far from a man. Hurt me deeply seeing you being so good to me. Deep down, knew that I was taking you for granted. Unappreciative, that was me. Self-sabotaging, feeling like you deserved a better me. I walked away from you, trying to heal me, and left you stranded in a broken home while you was going through your pregnancy. Made a promise that I'd be back to you in no time. Along that journey, I had came to realize I wasn't ready to be the man that you had fantasized. After I promised to be the man that you fantasized, took my hands, then strangled the soul tied. In them 9 months, I was probably there 9 times. Promised you a wedding, you didn't get to see a wedding gown. Hope you see a better version of me and my own child. I know your background. Pops was in jail, mama still an addict. You never had a family, your home was abandoned. That was your chance to fix your curse. That's the part of the story that make it worse. My upbringing significant to this situation, but I'ma save it, cause this an apology and accountability letter that I owed you, and it's been long awaited. And I hope you get it and then appreciate it. From this point moving forward, on the oath, Marissa swore to fix the void. My actions viewed by the Lord. If I slip up, punish me by the sword. Can't fix the past, but today let's move forward. Identified my crisis while I was trying to get righteous, so all my wrongs I'm righting while I'm some chasing enlightenment. I know my love was silent, so what my heart that went violent. Let's put the past behind us. Forgiveness, I hope you find it. Genuinely apologize, for real.
Jasmine and sweet morning dew.
Heavy one.
You said you'd be in my
Apologize to anyone I ever hurt. Any monsters I created, I apologize, for real. There's some promises I kept, but the ones I didn't keep, them be the ones that hurt the most. Sorry.